Antonio complained about persistent knee pain following a total knee replacement. He told the surgeon about the pain 1 month after the operation, but was assured there was no cause for concern and to continue physiotherapy to strengthen the knee. 9 months later, the pain persisted, but the surgeon told him not to worry. Antonio eventually got a second opinion. An X-ray showed he had an abnormal distortion and required another total knee replacement. We presented the complaint to the original surgeon, who denied any wrongdoing. However, an independent opinion that we arranged concluded there had been a technical error in the original procedure. Our report was given to Antonio and the original surgeon. We facilitated a negotiation that led to compensation for Antonio's out-of-pocket expenses and loss of earnings. Antonio was satisfied that his complaint had been resolved. For more information, call us or visit our website.